many times are they gonna rewrite your story? Your powers have been boring since the 1940s. Defeat me with heat beams, you're crazy. Cause I'm a Super Saiyan, you're a flying Miss Daisy. You're pretty pasty to be powered by the sun. You can't float to Son Goku, I Kaioken get it done. When I see your movies, all I do is watch the clock. Cause there's nothing fun about a superhero scared of green rocks. Look at those panties, you got that camel. I'll report to Lois Lane and Superman that hoe.
Your weapon is weaker than your fight scene. Just one punch and over 9,000 screams. I'll make your nose bleed like Roshi sniffing pennies. From Z to GT, you can drag